Hi guys, welcome to this video about this cordless vacuum cleaner. It's not just a normal vacuum cleaner, it's a very special one. So first thing, it's a 2-in-1, and second thing, it works with a standard 20 volts Dewalt battery, which a lot of people already have at home. It's the most common 20 volt standard battery. And batteries, as we know, are the #1 failure point in such vacuum cleaners. So the likelihood that you can use such a vacuum cleaner like that much longer is much higher. So it's also some really good protection for your investment. And we are still talking about the budget investment. And apart from the battery itself, the set comes with everything. And again, we have a 2-in-1, and it's even quite powerful with up to 10 kPa. Thanks to the 200 watts motor. Of course, the runtime depends on the battery which you're using, but with a large 6 amps battery, you can expect a runtime of up to 2 hours. That's also another great plus here. If you have more than one of these batteries, you can start cleaning, and when you run out of power, put the battery into the charging station, take the other one and keep cleaning. So no more excuses for taking a longer break. Yeah, okay, can be also a disadvantage, but of course overall it's a huge plus, because sometimes you just want to finish the stuff. You want to have things done, and that's of course helping a lot. So this is how it looks. That's the front brush. You can see, nice, flexible. Comes also with 4 decent size wheels. Good protection for your floor. By the way, you can also bend nicely like that. And we get these extensions, 2 of them. So you can nicely use that on the floor. You can just stick them together. Same thing here in the front. Comes with a large replaceable washable filter, and we do not only get one filter, we get also a second one and even a third one. And then that's the main device with the motor. Looks like a solid sturdy build. And here's the large 600 milliliters dust bin or dust container. You can see it has this flap here which prevents from things falling out. That's very good. So we can just rotate this clockwise, snaps in, and then we can use it like that. For example, also with one of these tips here, can use them directly like that, or with this brush for more sensitive parts, furniture, or in the office, or also perfect for in the car. But of course in the car works also perfect with this nozzle. But the great thing, of course, is that we can also use it like that in full size. So you just push it here inside, and then you can see how long this is, really full size vacuum. And now I'm going for a quick break to charge the battery. No, actually not, of course, because we can just take one of these 20 volt batteries and just push it here inside. Has a solid lock. Definitely doesn't work without the filter. Very important here, almost forgot that. And so you add the container back. And so we add the container back. And so it's very easy to use. We can just turn it on here with a short push. And you can see we have also a light here in the front. So it's very easy to use, just on, off. And it has a lock, which is very convenient for longer usage. So you don't have to press all the time. And so I caused a little bit of a mess. So let's see how powerful this is. Yeah, all the grains gone in seconds. And so let's see how easy it is to clean. So we have everything here inside. Couple of grains outside of the filter. No big deal. And so we can empty it easy into a trash bin. Here just showing you that we have everything back nice and clean. And so let's try with the long extension. Easy to add. And what I noticed is how lightweight this vacuum cleaner is. You can see I can easily lift it up and maneuver with just one hand. And also easy to use. Also awesome that I can reach very far underneath furniture, much further down, much better than with every vacuum I've ever seen. And also here along the ceiling. And so I've used it also to clean our car, and it worked really good. The suction was super strong. And so I can see how much dirt I've been collecting in only 5 minutes here inside. Absolutely awesome. The only disadvantage is what you can see here is that pretty much all the dirt, all the dust, everything gets stuck here in the filter, and that's because we don't have multi-stage filtration here. Sometimes we have just a mesh on top or a metal container on top, which prevents from most dirt going into this filter. I mean, on the other side, it's clean. Filtration seems to be good, but it's rather difficult to get everything out here. You would definitely need a brush to clean, and it's not so easy as with other vacuum cleaners. But I mean, at this price point, how could we really complain? I mean, of course, it's not perfect. I wouldn't buy this as a main vacuum if you have a large home. There's no light, there's no brush. Of course, it's not comparable to a Dyson or any other premium brand. But here the focus is on what you get for the price. You get the 2-in-1 with all the accessories, even 3 filters. And the price currently on Amazon is only $27. Yeah, you heard that right. At the moment, only $27. Absolutely amazing. And so as a second vacuum, maybe something you keep in a car or in a shed, or if you have a small vacation home cabin whatsoever, this could be an awesome thing, awesome add-on, or keep it in your home or office very close to just grab and clean up some smaller mess. That would be absolutely perfect. And so if you're interested, you can find the link to the Amazon listing where you can buy it down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this vacuum cleaner, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.